Hey guys, Saifu here, and today we're going to be talking about this bad boy. Oh goodness, that's clean. Now it's actually my first time building a custom keyboard, and let me tell you, it's fun and super worth it. So here it is. This is the TM680, or also known as the Tom or Holy Tom 680, and it's a 65% keyboard which has a knob on it. This keyboard is like a copy of a GMMK Pro, but this one's way cheaper. Now, this comes in at 2,700 pesos or around $50, and this board is a super bang for your buck. The TM680 is a hot swappable keyboard which comes in with some RGB. Now, to those who aren't familiar with custom keyboards, normally you'd have to buy a case, the PCB, the plate, and some other stuff which I really don't know, but for this kit, it's all included. Now for the switches, I went for the Akko CS Matcha greens, which are linear, and coming from a tactile switch, this was a world of a difference in terms of feel and sound. So I bought 70 pieces lubed already with THOCCS 205 grade 0 for around 1,500 pesos or $30. Now this was from another keyboard enthusiast who I found in a mechanical keyboard Facebook group. So I opted to buy pre-lubed switches because honestly it takes the hassle away, as well as it's almost the same price as brand new switches. Now speaking of lube, I still had to lube up the stabilizers of the keyboard, and that's where my brother comes in. I'm not confident in lubing keyboards, so I let him do all the work and just paid him with some milk tea, which I also ordered for myself. So that's a win-win. Oh, and he also placed some sound dampener foam under the PCB to have better acoustics. Now for the choice of keycaps, I have this sort of black and white desk setup going on here, and I wanted to keep that theme on my keyboard as well. So that's where these black on white Japanese XDA profile keycaps come in. So these cost 1,300 pesos, which are around $25, and I liked how the keycaps looked. So guys, it's time for the sound test. It's time to hear the big difference in sound between my old RK71, which was an Otemu Brown tactile switch, non-lubed stabilizers, non-lubed switches, because you had to desolder them. That's just not worth your time. But it is foamed up. It has sound dampener foam, versus my new TM680, which has lube stabilizers, lubed switches. It has sound dampener foam as well, and this time it's a linear switch. So let's check it out. So overall, this keyboard is insane. It is a great bang for your buck. It is possibly the best budget custom keyboard in the market right now. For less than $110 or 5,500 pesos, this keyboard is insane. It has great sound, it has great feel, it has a knob because it copies the GMMK Pro, but it's not the GMMK Pro. It just has a knob. It's really cool, and you click it. I don't know, it's just it's cool. Okay, so if you want to try and make a keyboard, or if you want to do your first one, I highly suggest making a TM680 build. You can experiment with the switches, but I highly recommend the Matcha green from Akko. It's really good. It feels good and it sounds good. But yes, I'll be linking all the items that I bought down in the description down below. It's all on Shopee, so that's kind of insane. If you're from the Philippines, it's gonna cost you around 5,500 pesos, less than $110 to buy one. And wow, it's gonna be insane. I hope you do buy one. It's fun. It's fun making one, except I didn't even lube it, but it's fun building it. It's cool. It sounds and feels really great. So yeah, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section down below. If you like the video, please do like it and subscribe, as I will start school soon and I will post more content about med schools. So I hope you like that video. See you guys again in the next one. Peace out. Bye.